Alright, and thank you for watching this course. Please rate and review this course if you really liked it or not. I really want to know. Now, obviously this was just an introduction and you need to know where to go from here. Alright, so you know enough to be able to dabble with Unity and get your ways in. Now, the next step, and I'm going to show you my courses and tell you what you will need to take next. So inside of udemy.com, inside where it says find the course, I'm just going to type my first name and last name and just press search, and you'll be able to see all my courses. Alright, I have a lot of courses on Unity, about 50 of them, but I want to tell you which one you want to go with. Alright, so if you're more of a guy that wants to start programming things, then I would definitely advise you to take the fundamentals. Alright, so I'm going to go and look for it to show you which one it is. I already showed it to you earlier, but just in case you don't remember, this is the one, the Begin Unity Programming. Right, so this one is hands-on programming for Unity. Now, if that's great, and that's going definitely to get you started and get you to the next level. But if you want to go the academic way, like if you were in a university and you want to learn some solid fundamentals, then I would advise you the ones on the fundamentals of programming. Alright, because this one is only based on Unity, but if you want to know for Unity and other languages, then the fundamentals is definitely the way to go. Let me see if I can find it. It must be somewhere around here. There it is. Alright, so locate the fundamentals of programming. Now, this course, again, is for people that want to learn just like if you were in a college or American university. It really has all you need, and that's exactly what you will learn, because I taught in college in America, and I can tell you that what you will learn here is the same curriculum, which is top-notch stuff. Alright, and by the way, this one is free to go, so go ahead. It might be a bit boring, again, remember, it's university stuff, so some of you might not like it, but if you want to have discipline, then definitely that's the way to go. Alright, so once you know and you have this Begin Unity, the next step you want to do is do something with it, because the best way to learn is to be motivated, and the best way to have motivation is to get something out the door. What do I mean by out the door? It's to get something in the stores, so meaning the iTunes App Store and so on. So try this one, the Unity 3D 2017 program and build the Crossy Road game. That might be 2000. This one. So check it out. Use the coupon code Celebrate. By the way, all of my courses, what I'm doing is that after this I'm going to add the coupon code Celebrate to get it as cheaper as possible, which is probably $10 at the moment. If in the future it gets more expensive or cheaper, I will make it cheaper, okay? So use this coupon code Celebrate. Having said so, let's go back, and once you know that, then you can find different ways to monetize your game. So I would ask you to go and take a look at build a video reward system when people that play your game watch the video to get a reward, or you can also add currency, so you can actually also add advertising, and that's another course here, monetize your app with advertising. And if you want to create your own graphics, because at the beginning you're probably going to get some free graphics on the internet, but what if you want your own graphics? Then you definitely want to go with these 3D pixel characters. It's like very Crossy Road type of things, like Minecraft too, and this teaches you how to create the characters and animate them. Like really, I'm not talking about a simple animation. I'm talking about professional animation, like if you were doing a movie. Look, check this out. Look, the guy is dancing just like in a real, I mean, it's as good as it gets. It's motion captured, right? You see that? So definitely use the coupon Celebrate on this course. Now, you definitely will learn how to create the characters and this animation, all right? All of this here, what you see here, this is the course, right? So everything is shown to you. I'm one of these guys that I like to actually show people every single step. So, because when I was a student in my younger years, my number one issue was that teachers were going way too fast, and sometimes they were just telling you, oh, this is how it's supposed to be, and this is how it's supposed to be, but they were never really showing you. And guess what? I hated that, because I always thought that I was missing something, and then if I miss a step, I'm lost, and when I'm lost, I get bad grades, and then I get all depressed. So I do exactly what I wish I had when I was younger. Alright, now for those of you who wants to go the extra mile and want to create multiplayer online games, like World of Warcraft, Final Fantasy and stuff like this, now it might be a bit too much, so it might not be for you right now, it might be for you in the future. I advise you all of my character gear programming, my game server online like a pro, because you need a game server. Then also how to create multiplayer games. So let me show you. We have another one. Okay, this one amazing. Create the environment. So you will create automatic environments in no time. Isn't that amazing? Go check it out. And if somehow you want to take a break and do something simple, go with the clone the color switch game with Unity. So you will actually get some kind of a color switch game in no time, really quickly. Alright, so I'm going to stop here. There are plenty of other courses. I have more than 80 courses, and they all are as good as each other. They all are very hands-on. So thanks for watching. Again, please rate this course, and I hope to see you in any other lecture. Feel free to see me in the forums. Bye!